quick walkthrough. This is still on a tabletop, so we don't have the benefit of seeing how it will look vertically, for example, as it would look on a gallery or museum wall, but it will suffice for now. Information on some of the various things that are in and around the mosaic tiles, as well as depictions of them in the mosaic and in the drawing, are written about in the description text. If I didn't mention the specific sites of the Polish Jewish gravestones, nor did I the two sets of hands and the Kohanim priestly blessing were from both inspired by photos in the Time of Stones book, photos by Monika Krieska of Polish Jewish gravestones, as well as one gravestone I had photographed at the Jewish cemetery in Corfu, Kerkera in northwest Greece in 1985. These same birds from a black and white photograph in the Wooden Synagogues book were also portrayed, and different interpretation in terms of coloration and so on, in the first mosaic drawing combo called Young Man with Star of David Armband in the Warsaw Ghetto. These birds here, including mad-hatted ones from the Segan imagination there. There you have it for now.